One of my high school teachers, she's probably one of the biggest influences I've had. She said it was developing the personal relationships with her students, seeing them go from looking at a math test and thinking, oh my gosh, I don't know what any of this means, to getting awards and trophies and competing with some of the best competitors around the nation. That culmination, the timeline, is really what she wanted to see. And so I've kind of used that as my personal motivator. So I initially got started with teaching a class at Bessemer High School because one of the mothers of the students there was looking for an ACT book while I was searching for a book for the MCAT. And I just said, that you want the red one, it's the best one. And we started talking about it at the ACT, and 45 minutes in, I had already committed to teaching a class. When I went to Bessemer High School to even just get a classroom, I had to meet with the principal like 3 times. But I had given her my CV, she knew that I was a Goldwater Scholar, so how do we get started? I actually expected that motivation would be the biggest problem, but it wasn't. They knew that the ACT was an important metric. It's just showing them the little shortcuts that they never had even thought existed, providing them with practice questions, working with them with certain problems. They actually got it much faster than I would have when I was at high school. My best success story was a girl who originally got a 15 on the ACT, and then we worked for about 2 weeks with her, and her score went up to a 20. So it was the difference between no college and actually some scholarship. In high school, I realized that whatever you're good at, you should always try to grow on, because if you're good at it, then there's a bigger chance that you can use your skills to help nurture or flourish someone else's desires and passions.